Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to look at some product in Microsoft Excel and some hex in Power BI. So these two functions are functions that saves a lot of time and when you work with Excel and Power BI. Sometimes there is need for you to calculate based on two columns. Like in this case, we want to get the total sales where we have the quantity column and the price column. So for most of us, what we'll have done is to create an helper column where you have sales or let's say amount. So with amount as the column, what we have equals to this, multiply by this, and enter, then copy the last one. So with this, we're going to do equals. Let's calculate the summation now. We have equals to sum from the bracket, click on this, Control Shift arrow down, close the bracket, and we hit enter. So this is what most of us will have done when you want to calculate the total price. But with some product in Excel, you're going to get something faster than this. How do we do that? Type equals to some product. It's a function. So what we need is to select the array we want to multiply from here down, comma, and the other column too. So we have the two columns selected, hit enter. Oh, sorry. So we have the quantity columns and the price column. So I'm going to remove this and multiply with quantity column instead. Hit enter. So we're going to have the same value in a shorter period without wasting time. That is on some product to calculate the total sales from quantity and price. Now let's look at SUMX in Power BI. So in Power BI, we have SUMX that works exactly like some product in Excel. So let's try that. So click on new measure. Now we want to create a new measure. So from a new measure, we're going to have sum hex as our function to calculate the total sales. Okay, we're going to have our total sales to be, we have total sales SUMX for the bracket. The first thing we're going to select the table where we have price and quantity. So we are going to say sales table. Select the sales table, comma, then select the columns. We have the sales price, multiply by sales quantity. That is the quantity in sales table and the price in sales table. Hit enter. So let's see what we're going to get. Here is our new measure. So let's see what we'll get. Click on card visual and select total sales. That's what we have. We have 763,000. Okay, let's check this and see the exact figure that we have here. Let's have none. 762,944. So we have 762,944. That's good. Now, let's go a bit advanced using the sum product and sum hex with if function. Assuming we don't want to calculate the total sales, but we need to calculate total sales from California only. What do we do? So here, after your sum product, what do we do here? Put hyphen 2 times, open the bracket, Then select the new column, the additional column where we have the criteria, where this equals to, select California, close the bracket, enter. So now where this equals to California, go to calculate this and this. If you want to select, you can also type, put in double quote, we have California. Said double quote and double quote. So hit enter. That's what we have now. We have 191506. Okay, good. Now in Power BI, how do we create this in Power BI? So let's create a new measure and see what we're going to get also. So we're going to see the same measure we created can also be modified. But let's create a new measure and see how it's going to work out. Now we want to see to the California sales. California sales. So we're going to have SUMX again. Then the first thing, okay, we select the table. So our sales table, we have the sales table, comma, the expression now is if, for the bracket, if the column, which is the branch, that is sales branch equals to California, double quote, comma, what do you want? We want to multiply the sales price by sales quantity. So close the bracket and hit enter. So, okay, let's see what we have here. So from this tab, from this card visual, so let's remove the value here from the card visual, take this off, and let's bring California sales. Okay, sorry, we'll remove this and then bring California sales. So we have 191506. So I think we've learned one or two things there. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.